right, so package has been delivered. Let's get the top-down camera set up, and then we're gonna see what's in the box. Stay tuned. I have no idea what's inside this box, so let's get this going. Now this is gonna be a first look on the product, and damn, okay. All right, Polar Pro, I see you guys. All right, you guys are seeing it first. So this is the Boreal 50-liter backpack by Polar Pro. So far, just touching everything and taking a quick glance at it, everything looks super premium. Something I always loved about Polar Pro was like the black and gold colorway combo. It just looks super clean. And I love the fact that they continued between like the writing over here and all the pull strings, which the zippers feel really nice and high end. It just looks so amazing. I mean, the aesthetic of this bag, the way everything's set up, just as a first glance, looks incredible. So let's take a look a little bit more what's inside, what different compartments there are, and just really do, like I said, a first look style video. So the first couple things I'm noticing on both sides of the bag, we have water bottle slots or tripod slots, and then there seems to be some cinch cords. So if you have a big tripod on the side, that won't go anywhere if you have a gimbal or something like that. And same thing with on the opposite side. And right inside here, I believe this is like a rain cover, which is crucial if you're doing like long hikes or treks. And I feel like this type of bag is meant for more like outdoor adventure hiking trips. I'm sure it could be like an EDC backpack. It's got a nice slim look to it. It doesn't feel too big like other competitors' backpacks out there. We have some MOLLE webbing down here for like flashlights or a pocket knife if you're camping. Let's take a look and see the roll top. Now, unraveling the roll top, what we're noticing is that there's just a huge storage compartment up here. So what you could do is keep your hiking boots that have mud in them, stick it right there, some clothes, stuff like that. And the fact that it's being a roll top means like water, moisture is not gonna get inside, and then you just buckle it right up. Now we have another area. It's a shallow pocket, and you could just store your wallet, your keys, stuff that you need to access really quick. You could just throw it right up in here. So I'm noticing we have another zipper down here. It opens going diagonally across the backpack. Really nice storage. You could throw anything else in here that you need to get quick access to. There's just tons of storage compartments. Even right here, we have this really nice long pocket where you could throw in an iPad and keep other slim, longer items in there. We have another zipper right down here. Let's see where this goes to. Ah, here we go. So this will give you side access to, say, your camera that's gonna be in the camera compartment. So I love the fact that you don't have to go around back and unzipper the whole compartment to get to your camera gear. You can literally just use this quick access zipper and get to your camera right away. If you see a shot or something like that, you're just gonna go to it and get that comp. Now, taking a look at the back of the backpack, you're gonna notice a really nice, thick waist belt. You could cinch it up, have it nice and tight. I don't know about you guys, but if you've ever done long hiking trips for photography workshops or something like that, you need to keep the weight off your back. So by having a really nice and comfortable mesh on the inside, so if you start sweating, it'll just wick that sweat and keep you dry. So this is huge because once you cinch it, no matter how heavy this bag gets, it's taking all the weight off your shoulders and distributing to your body at the waist, where you're stronger naturally as a person. So when it comes to the belt, I'm noticing on both sides, we have zippers, we have more MOLLE webbing for flashlights or pocket knives on both sides. That's awesome for quick access on your hips while you're hiking. You have a really nice padding. Like I said, the mesh that's on the inside looks like it's gonna keep you dry and cool, and that's crucial. I don't know about you, but anytime I'm hiking, my back instantly starts sweating. Yeah, you could just tell that this is gonna keep you dry. That's such a big deal. We have 2 handles right here, so you could grab them if you need to carry the bag or pass it off to somebody, which is really cool. We have the Polar Pro right here in that gold. We have another tab on the straps. You have the chest clamp, so you could cinch that across your chest. So those are nice and secure. Once again, we have these guys right here that you can cinch as well. We have some straps at the top, the straps that go over your traps and shoulders. That's always nice being able to adjust those. Now I'm sure if you have a quick release like camera clip, you can attach it at some point of the backpack strap, so that's great too. So yeah, I mean, overall, this thing's looking really good. It doesn't feel that heavy at all, and it's just a really nice size. I know a lot of you want to see the camera compartment that's inside, myself as well. Let's take a look at what's inside. And there we have it. We have the nice Polar Pro logo on the top. We have 2 storage compartments, nice mesh so you could see what's behind the pocket. And wow, so we have a ton of ways of configuring inside. You could set your camera, drone, pretty much everything. I love the tan interior. I don't know about you, but if you've ever owned several different camera backpacks like myself, I don't know what's up with brands putting black interior or darker colors. My black cables and batteries and accessories are getting lost because the whole structure, the internal part of the backpack is a dark color. So I love the tan. Everything feels real rigid and sturdy, and there are just a ton of different really nice dividers in here, and they have like some cool padding and design work on them, so you can literally configure this in any which way. Now, another thing that I might have overlooked is that there is, or seems to be, some sort of quick access to the top compartment, and I believe that's from the roll top. If you unzipper it, now with the roll top, you can have access to the first top compartment. Okay, so this was the first impression on the Polar Pro Boreal 50-liter backpack. If you guys are interested in picking one up, in the description, this thing just went live on Kickstarter. So if you wanna learn more about the backpack, when it's gonna be releasing, and you wanna back it, click that link. Thank you guys over at Polar Pro for giving me the opportunity to check out this bag and give it a first look. I'm excited to get my hands on one, and I can't wait for it to come out. Jason Anthony here, peace.